Hello friends, welcome to Body Fitness. Top 4 best workout for bigger bicep at home. With the help of dumbbells, it's possible to train bicep muscle at home. The bicep is a large thick muscle of arm consists of two heads, long head and the short head. The bicep brachialis is superficies to brachialis muscle. Exercise number 1, bicep curl. Do 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Replace with barbell bicep curl. Exercise number 2, hammer curl. Do 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Replace with rope hammer curl. Exercise number 3, reverse curl. Do 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Replace with barbell reverse curl. Exercise number 4, concentration curl. Do 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Replace with preacher curl. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Body Fitness.